guys, this is Dilip Upadhyay. Today we will learn how to create static file services. To create a static file services, that means suppose in my computer I have a folder. I want to see the whole folder in my URL. It is a very simple step. We need just the nginx services to install this whole configuration in our computer. So we want this type of stuff. Suppose this is the example.com. I have a folder Dilip inside my home, and under Dilip there is a folder images. I want to see that images, all content of images in the URL. So here we can see it. There is another folder called PDF. I just want to see all PDFs. So for the same thing we can see all the PDF. And suppose guys, in this folder, suppose in the images there is 5 pictures right now. Suppose I want the Google, here is the Google, I have downloaded the Google logo. Suppose I just want to add that Google logo in this. So my aim is, if we will add anything in that folder, I can see that directly in the URL by just refreshing it. Yeah, that Google.logo is here. Yeah, you can see. So all the folder is in the URL. All the content of that folder we can see in this URL. So it is a very simple step. With the nginx, we are able to create this static file services. You just need to follow some of the command. Sudo apt get update. In my case, I have done all things. So just I am showing you. Sorry, sudo apt get install nginx. If you have not installed yet, please go and install it. After installing nginx will automatically create 2 folders inside your Ubuntu. One is we can see the sites available, and it will create lots of files, but we are interested in 2 files. Get this sites available and sites enable. So we can go in sites available folder, and under site available we will create a file which have no extensions. In my case, I have created a file home, so we can write the content inside where we are very much interested. So in the file we will write a server name where we are interested to listen 80 port, and the folder we want to make static, that will be our root folder. Index.html, I have nothing added in the index.html. Actually there is an index file which is showing only in static file services. My index.html is also in under Dilip. This is index.html. So we are defining the index.html. It will give after Dilip. Under Dilip there is index.html, and my server name is example.com. You can see here example.com, and location. This is a very interesting. I am adding auto indexing on, so that we are able to see the all pictures in the images sections. So I have just given the location name for images. For PDF, I have created another folder Dilip 1 and Dilip 2. Yeah, I just want to check whether it will work for folder structure, a whole folder structure or not. Under Dilip 1 there is a Dilip 2 folder, and we can see that this is here. In the Dilip folder, I have created a Dilip 1 folder, and in Dilip 1 I have created Dilip 2, and under that I have given the index.html, and that also we can see in index.html folder. So, and this is what I have added in the last, so that if in the place of this, suppose I have added something else, then it will show 404 error, which will just give me information that my NGINX service is working. So after that, we just need to add a single command to link sites dot available. In suppose previously it was home example.com, and now I have added this as home. So we have to just give this command to link sites dot enabled. This, it will create the same folder with this. Yeah, and one more thing, when you install this, maybe you will find some default.conf here. You just need to remove that default.conf. In my case, I have deleted that. It may create confusion. You just need to delete this from here, and also from sites enabled. In the sites enabled, you can see that. Sorry, it is not coming. Sites enabled. Yeah, for sites enabled, you can see. Just you need to remove from here also. Default.conf. Yeah. In my case, I have deleted it, and you just need to start your NGINX services. systemctl restart NGINX, and after that you have to just to go to your URL, and you have to type just example.com. You can find the index page, whatever you are interested, you escape here, and in example.com, whatever the location you have given in your configuration file, you can see in the web browsers. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you.